Hello, we are Yulin Company and I'm Ellen.
Stella.
And today we will show you this 8mm indicator light, how to produce it.
And we will show all the steps how to produce this product. First, we need to prepare the ingredients. The copper housing. The black stick base with logo. The resistance and the red LED beads. The red lens. Then check and sign for the person in charge. The next step is building it up. Cut the LED and the resistance extra pins. Then connect them with wires. Put on the black insulating tube and the base. Put in insulating waterproof glue. Then push the lens into copper housing. Finally, tighten two parts together.
We will do a lighting test to make sure it works before sending. Our indicator light passed 80,000 hours use life test. They can work in 70-degree or minus 40-degree temperature environment. Sometimes we also do the tensor test, and the test shows our indicator light wire and base can bear more than 50 kg tensor, and it can work in the water. We also approve IP68 test and get certificate. Metal indicator light can pass more than 1,500 withstand voltage test.